How to post Instagram story from PC or desktop. So once you're logged into your Instagram, what you'll want to do is right click and then click on inspect at the very last option. So go over to the very top and click on this icon right here. So once you click this option, you'll see this dimension option right here. So click on this arrow button and select any phone that you want, how you want your screen. So I'm going to click on this one and go ahead and refresh the page. So you can just go ahead and click on this plus sign and then select any file that you want. Now make sure that this is still open when you're wanting to add to your story, because if you cross this out and you try to add to your story, then it will tell you to rotate your device. So just go ahead and go to inspect and make sure that the screen is this long screen right here. And if you want to go back to your normal web page, what you can do is click on this icon once again and then go ahead and cross this out and then refresh the page. So then you'll go back to how your screen was before. So this is how to post Instagram story from PC or desktop.